मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज के साथ पीयूष गोयल, उनकी मुलाकात हुई आज लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर साहब से, और उसके बाद ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस।
I have no problem. I have spent 2.5 hours. I can wait as long as you all take to bring order. It's your internal problem, not mine.
स्टार्ट दिल्ली की बिजली के समस्या में क्या समाधान निकाला?
मैं कुछ बोल सकता हूँ before your questions? ठीक है सर. Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for having the patience to bear with us. We have had extensive discussions. The Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Shri Najib Jangji, the Honorable Secretary Power, Government of India, Mr. Sinha, Additional Secretary and other officials of the central government, along with the entire team from Delhi government led by their Chief Secretary, Power Secretary, Additional Secretary Power, other senior officials and the distribution companies have all had an opportunity to express in a very free and frank manner what is happening in Delhi, what are the problems that New Delhi particularly faces, the solutions that will help to bring about order in the entire power grid and the power systems of Delhi. And at the outset, I must tell you that while I'm grateful to all the officials for the cooperation and for the free and frank discussion, I'm extremely concerned about the serious problems that this sector has faced in the last 12 years. As we explored each subject in great detail, which would account for the 2.5-hour meeting that we have just concluded, more and more things came out of the closet. And if you were to ask me the crux of the entire problem, I think the real crux, the real constraint that is causing such agony to the citizens of Delhi is clearly the lack of decision making, the lack of investment in infrastructure, the lack of any forward planning in the last 12 years since 2002, which was particularly accentuated in the last 4 years since 2010, with a massive policy paralysis, action paralysis, execution paralysis, with very poor decision-making speed and even poorer execution of ongoing projects. Any good government has to plan in advance, has to plan for the ever-increasing population of Delhi, has to do assessment of loads going forward, and has to execute adequate transmission and distribution projects to ensure that capacity to take care of the needs, particularly with redundancy, where you have to provide for contingencies of power breakdown, natural calamities, other incidental damages. Unfortunately, my investigations reveal that correspondents since 2002 have shown very poor addition to the grid capacity. In all of the last 12 years, only a few grids in 220 MVA and one grid in 400 MVA have been added. Most often people have done with adding a transformer here or adding a transformer there, or doing routine maintenance and upgradation. But a holistic vision and a holistic plan for Delhi is completely non-existent after over a decade of a government which was led by the mother of the Honorable MP from the region which is worst affected by the power crisis. It is very unfortunate that some political parties have chosen to politicize this issue, little realizing that the facts of the matter reveal that my government under the new leadership has only taken charge 2 weeks ago, but we have had a government for 15 years which was completely insensitive to the growing demand of Delhi and which has failed to provide the needs of the infrastructure. Of course, added to that, there were two other problems.